Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing great, everybody's family's good. We appreciate you stopping back by, and today we've got a simple little modification on the Jeep Rubicon here. Laura is going to install a new third brake light because the factory brake light is covered by our big tires. So we've got a remedy for that. We're going to take a circular disc with LEDs and put that in to the spare tire. I'm sure there's going to be some bloopers at the end of this video, so please stay tuned.
All right guys, so I'm really looking forward to putting this on. I ordered it off Amazon. I'll put the link down below so you guys can see where I got it. So the reason I want to put this on is because our tires are so big and you can't really see too much up here. So I'm hoping that once we get this on, it's going to light the back up a little nicer and you'll be able to see it in between the tire when we brake. So we're going to stick it right here on the back rack like that, and it'll sit just like that. We're going to start by taking our hot wire, and this one's going to be our ground, and we're going to splice it to the back there so that it'll light up. All right guys, so we're going to start now, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab yourself a T20, okay, and you're going to take all these guys out, okay. All right guys, so we've taken our four bolts out, and now we're going to take this back piece off like this. Just going to come right out, and you're going to want to take this little part out right here. So you're just going to go like this, and off it's going to come. All right guys, so now the fun part, we're going to start cutting some wires, okay? All right guys, so I've called my boyfriend. He is going to help us strip the wires. One. There we go. Two. All right guys, so now we're going to put 2 pieces of heat shrink over each one. All right guys, so here you've got your hot wire, and this one's going to be your ground. So now you're going to connect them. So this hot wire is going to go here
To the white one, right?
Correct. And then this one is your ground, and it's going to go to the black one, which is your ground. There you go. Okay, so now that the wires are bound, we're gonna slide the heat shrink over top of it. So it looks like that.
Okay. Then you're gonna apply a little heat.
We're gonna take our lighter and we're gonna get it all nice and hot, and we're gonna shrink it to it. There it goes. All right guys, so we got the wires heat shrunk. Both sides are good and tight. So we got it heat shrunk guys. I'm just adding a little bit of extra black tape just to make sure it's nice and strong. All right guys, so we are going to do 2 more pieces of heat shrink on these wires. There we go.
Okay, I'll hold these 2. Go.
So now this is going on there, and I'm assuming it's not rocket science. These 2 are going to attach to there. Okay. So here we go. We're gonna take our light. That's gonna go right on there. Go so you guys can see it. And you got your 2 wires up here. So you're gonna do your hot to your hot and your ground to your ground. Red and red, black and black. Okay, and we're gonna fuse them together like we did on the other one. Okay. And again. There you go. All right, guys, so we're gonna slide the heat shrink up again over both of them. We're gonna get our handy lighter out and we are going to shrink it again. All right, so we've gotten that together, and now before we do anything else, we're gonna test it just to make sure that it works and I did it properly. All right, hit it, baby. Yeah! All right, guys, so just in case we wanna put that one back on ever again, I'm gonna put the plug right in there so we can save it. And we're gonna reattach this back on. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna hang it right up in there, that we hide a little bit of it. And then it's gonna go right back up in there. All right, guys, so we're going to put the screws back in. I am so excited. All right, so we're getting ready to put the tire back on. Obviously, I can't lift it because it probably comes up to about here on me. So I got my 3/4 inch socket and my ratchet, and we're gonna get ready. The boys are gonna roll the tire over and we're gonna put it back on. Ready?
Yeah. Laura, bring me a socket. One of the nuts. Yeah, tire heavier than mine. That's dirty. Okay. Put it on the counter.
All right, guys, so the guys so gracefully brought my tire back and put it on, and now we are going to tighten it up. Perfect. All right. There you go. All right, guys, so we're gonna put our little centerpiece back on here in the tire, and it only takes 2 screws. You just gotta kind of feel for it. I'm gonna get it in there to hold it up a little bit. One at the top and one right there at the bottom. got one in. And we got the second one in, and it's good. All right, guys, so here it is. It's installed, it's going, it's shining, it's ready to go. So we have a really big rim, so it's still a little hard to see in some areas, but at night, I think it's gonna be a little better. So if you like this as much as I liked it, I got even more surprises. I ordered taillights, so those are gonna be coming soon. And I ordered some really nice LEDs for the front. It came with all three, this one, and the fog lights there. I ordered the LEDs, the special ones. They change color using your cell phone, so you can hook your app up to it, and you can get, I think, 6 or 7 different colors. So when we post that video, I'll make sure that I click the button and you guys get to see all the colors that we've got there.
All right, guys, that's just about gonna do it for this particular video. Laura here showed you how to install that third LED brake light. You got the tire back on, Jeep's looking good. She's washed it, she's waxed it, and I'm sure she's had enough for today. So, with all that being said, if you like this video, guys, hit that like button for us. And like always, hit that subscribe button. Every new subscriber we get greatly helps out this channel. So, with all that being said, stay tuned for the future videos on this particular Jeep. We're going to be changing the headlights and the tail lights coming real soon. So guys, we're going to get out of here. See you on the next one.
How do my boobs look?
You're filming.
Okay, don't put that in.
Yeah, I'm on. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be installing a third brake light LED on this Jeep Route. It's about time for...
You're filming.
Hey, that's hard, ain't
It really is. I don't like to know what that means, but okay.
it? Don't,
She's still good? Awesome.
it's hard to turn, don't do it.
So what do you call this?
Okay.
The centerpiece.
All right, guys, am I good? Okay, I got a good. Yeah, see, you look so snaz.
You're rolling.
You are being filmed.
All right guys, Laura here showed you how to install that third brake light on the Jeep Rubicon. We've got some more vids. You see what I have to put up with? You see why filming is so hard? Because we have so many interruptions for, you know, all these dancing and giggling and gag reels. All right guys, see you in the next one.